Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. We have a great collab here. Jake and Tori Kelly, they do This Is What Floating Feels Like. Alright, so you know this is a piano-based song. There's more that goes on here as far as the melodies and notes in here and there. But anyway, I want to show you that you can do almost anything on a guitar as well. So we're going to work with just two chords, one string pattern, and that flows through the entire song. Now let's go into this, and we don't use any capo for this one, just two clean chords, and we're gonna go into the F sharp minor and the G major 7 sus2, a long name for an easy chord. Let's start with the F sharp minor. So that's a bar chord. You place the index finger here on the 2nd fret and you push down all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. That's the first one, and you're going to alternate that chord with the G major 7 sus2. And that goes 3rd E. Then I usually mute the next string with that finger, that mid finger I'm using on the 3rd E. So A gets muted, and then open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So you're just going to alternate this with this. Okay, so let's go into the string pattern here, and we're gonna play two rounds that are very, very similar to each other. So one string round will sound like this. Okay, so it pretty much just flows there with a clap in the middle of the strumming. So you're gonna play down, up, down, up. You forgot the F sharp minor. Then comes the clap, up, down, up. Okay, so that's it. Down, up, clap, down, up. You're gonna play two rounds of that, so. And then you shift chord to the next one and play two rounds of that. You can do that till the very end. We have just one detail here. In the first round of every chord, there's a kind of a snare or something in that direction, and that happens in the last up. So you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, down, and on that last up in the first strumming round, there's a snare or similar to that in the song, and you can simulate that with just hit an extra kick on the way up. So it will be like this. That last up, I give some extra push on that. If you compare that to the second round, I'm gonna play like this. So the most action happens here in the bass and mid strings, but on that last up there with their in the first round here, that's up I really bring in the higher strings as well. So that will mark out some difference in the strumming. So together, two chords with two string rounds goes like this. Just keep on rolling that from the beginning till the very end. Very simple tutorial here, how to handle This Is What Floating Feels Like. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, feel free to support me here. Thank you so much, and play tuned.